Creating unordered lists in HTML. Let us learn to describe the unordered list element, describe the type attribute, use them in HTML code, and view the output in a browser. Unordered lists are for lists of items where the order is not important. They are bulleted, unnumbered lists and are created using the UL tag. For example, the UL tag here displays the text as a bulleted text in the browser window. The type of the bullet displayed in the list can be changed using the type attribute in the UL tag, which can take values circle, square, or disk, the default being disk. Take a look at the three lists here, each with a different type of bullet. We have learned that an unordered list is a bulleted or an unnumbered list. The type attribute is used in the UL tag to change the type of the bullet displayed in the list.